All right, Coach William Polite here, back at you out here in Wichita, Kansas. Guys, once again, looking at some just very basic algebra and geometry topics. This is from our eighth grade package that we sent out to our students here in Wichita, but it's good for all grade levels to know these simple theorems and postulates and different rules that we're looking at here. And some just good fundamental work for us here. As always, praying for all of our families, your families, my family, during this time of the coronavirus. This topic we're going to look at here today. As I mentioned before, guys, I run a few programs here, Books Over Balls, our Junior League Football Challenge, where we're putting the student into the student athlete, and our BASE program, Better Academics and Social Excellence, where we're trying to create a cohort of young men of color that are excelling in school here in our city and throughout the nation. But here's the topic here is the triangle inequality theorem, which is very simple. It just means if I have a triangle, that if I add up two of the sides, it must always be greater, that the sum of those two sides must be greater than the third side for that to be a triangle. You can never add up two sides of a triangle, and if it's less than the third side that you didn't add in, then it can't be a triangle. So let's look at a couple of very simple examples down here. On our page. Let me go down here, and I've already actually begun to work these out. You can see here, and number one here, we have one side that's 3 inches, another side 2.9 inches, another side that's 5 inches. So what I did, I took 3 plus 2.9, that equals 5.9. Remember, this little symbol right there means greater than or less than. That means 5.9 is greater than 5. So that side works. Let's see here. 3 plus 5. I added the 3 and the 5. That's equals to 8. 8 is greater than 2.9, which is the third side that I didn't add in on that one. And so that side would work. Let's look here. We took the 2.9, added it to the 5. That gave us 7.9. And that was greater than the side that we left out, which was 3. So this could be a triangle, because if I add up any two sides, it's greater than the third side. Look at number 3 here. We didn't have to go far here because, look, I added 4 and 5.1. That's 9.1. Well, that's less than, look at the less than sign there, is less than 12.5, which was the third side here. And so since these two sides added together, or the sum of those two sides was less than the third side here, which is 12.5, then this could not be a triangle. Okay, so you didn't have to try the other sides there. Let's try another one here. Look at number 5 here. Okay, easy one. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. That's less than 21. That's less than our third side. So no, this could not be a triangle. Look at number 7. This stuff is really easy, guys. Just remember the triangle inequality theorem. That's what this is called. If I add up any two sides, it must be greater than the third side. That's a great ACT test question, just to see if you know the concept. But it's not hard if I commit to mastering the topic there. Master it today. Learn it for the rest of your life, like you know your favorite song. Check this out. 112 plus 300 equals 412, greater than the third side. 112 plus 190 equals 302, close, but still greater than the third side. 300 plus 190 is equal to 490. It's greater than 112, which is the third side there. So yes, this could be a triangle. Okay, let's go down and let's look at the next page here. We're looking at the triangle sum theorem. Okay, now before we look at the triangle side, make sure we're saying that right. We looked at the triangle inequality theorem, which is the sum of the sides. And then we're looking at the triangle sum theorem, another super easy topic. Simply says, if I add up the 3 angles of a triangle, they must equal 180 degrees. So looking here at the first example here, I can look at that and look, 25 plus 85 plus 15 is equal to 125. This could not be a triangle because it's not equal to 180 degrees. Huh. That's not rocket science, guys. Easy stuff here. Just commit it to memory and to mastery, I should say. 100 plus 37 plus 43 in this next example here. That equals 180. So guess what? This could be a triangle. It's that simple. Don't let these theorems fool you. Don't believe that they're hard. It's just mastering them. So if you see them again on a standardized test, or if you have to use them within a more rigorous problem, these are just fundamentals here, then you'd be able to do that. All right. All right. Peace and blessings, everyone. That's the end of the 8th grade package for week 1 with us. And I'll be posting some other things here very shortly. All right. Everyone stay safe, stay well.